Since you are viewing this video, there's a chance that your PTA is considering becoming an employer and hiring one or more employees, against the very good advice to not do that. Becoming an employer is a major undertaking with serious responsibilities and considerable financial penalties for incomplete or inaccurate filing and reporting, and for missed deadlines. Remember also that a PTA may not financially or otherwise encumber a future PTA board or its members, so any employer-employee relationship created by the current PTA may not extend past the current fiscal year. If your PTA believes that hiring an employee is your best option, please discuss the prospect with your district president and treasurer. When PTA becomes an employer, it is responsible for complying with state and federal employment laws. When PTA becomes an employer in California, it must register with the State of California Employment Development Department within 15 days of becoming an employer. Use EDD Form DE-1NP to register. EDD will send the newly registered PTA an 8-digit employer account number, as well as a new employer packet that contains required EDD notices and pamphlets, blank deposit coupons, brochures about EDD services, including payroll tax seminars to help you comply with federal and state payroll tax laws, a new employee registry letter, report of new employees form, and a California Employer's Guide. A personalized payroll tax deposit coupon booklet will be mailed to the PTA 4 to 6 weeks after registration. The notice received from EDD must be posted in a prominent location that is easily seen by employees. It informs employees of their rights under unemployment insurance, disability insurance, and paid family leave programs. All employers in California are required to report new employees to the new employee registry within 20 days of their start of work date. Use Form DE-34 for this purpose. As an employer in California, PTA is subject to withholding from employee pay, personal income tax, employment training tax, state disability insurance, and unemployment insurance. As a nonprofit IRS 501c3, PTA has a choice in the method of financing the state unemployment insurance. They may elect to pay the same UI taxes as commercial employers, or to reimburse EDD for the full cost of all UI benefits paid to their former employees. If PTA elects the reimbursement method, it should file Form DE-1SNP when registering as an employee. Tax payments must be submitted to the EDD with a completed payroll tax deposit form. This form is used to deposit payments for unemployment insurance, employment training tax, state disability insurance, and California personal income tax. Instructions for preparing DE-88ALL are available on the EDD website. The instructions explain each withholding and deposit, contains a sample coupon, and contains an employer record form for tracking deposits. EDD charges a 10% penalty on interest and late payments. Each quarter, employers are required to file a quarterly contribution return and report of wages form, as well as a quarterly contribution return and report of wages continuation form. These forms must be mailed together. The DE-9 reconciles wages reported and taxes paid for each quarter. If the DE-9 shows an overpayment, EDD will send a refund automatically. If a tax payment is due, it should be submitted with a DE-88ALL coupon. The DE-9C form reports individual employee wages for each quarter. Instructions and due dates are contained within each form.